So how we doing? So we're back with another video, and it's another instructional video this time. I'm going to be sharing with all of you how we make corpse skeletons out of normal, boring skeletons that you buy from various different shops. So let me show you what they're like when we first buy them. So here I have a box of a few bits. I have some other boxes of these, but basically like your normal skeletons you can buy at your normal cheap shops. This is a more expensive one, but that's gonna look cool. That's gonna be a baby one, which yeah, some people might agree, some people might not, but hey, we'll do it. So yeah, this is basically like what we're working with. These are like just plastic. Yeah, I mean they look okay as they are, but I know that we can make these look a million times better. So that's what we're doing. So for this process, you will need some plastic sheeting, which the thinner the stuff, the easier it is to work with, I find. You can use like shrink wrap and stuff, which I will be using for some of these because I haven't got that much of this stuff. I've got quite a lot of these to do. So this is one that I've done earlier. This bird is one that I made earlier. And as you can see, it's got like bits hanging off it, and you know, it looks like it's been a bit sort of fleshified, which is good. And all that is basically plastic and wood stain. Now the wood stain that I'm using is, I initially go over these, as you can see with these ones, with the red mahogany. Camera's not picking up the colour too well, but that's quite a deep red. And I basically just go over the whole thing with that, and then I wipe it off with some kitchen roll. I wipe bits of it off. You don't have to be neat with it. It can be as messy as you like. You could even just paint it on and leave it if you wanted. If you wanted a really deep sort of bloody finish on it, then you can do that. So then once we've done that, we get the plastic, drape it over it, wrap it around as best you can. You sort of want to take into consideration the like anatomy of what you're trying to corpse, because obviously you don't want like a piece going from its head to its wing, because that just wouldn't be attached. You'd want it sort of a bit further down, but the more you sort of do it, the more you look at it and think, yeah, that looks right, yeah, it doesn't. So yeah, once you've done that, you basically take the plastic, wrap it round, and then heat it with a heat gun. Any sort of heat gun will do. I reckon a hairdryer would probably do it as well, or a blowtorch, you can use that, whatever. So you just wrap it round, do that, and then once I've finished with that, I then go over the top of that with some dark rosewood wood stain. I mean, any sort of dark wood stain would do, it's just this is all I had. And you do the same process, so you just basically paste it on where you want it, and then get your rag. It doesn't have to be clean, it can have as many colours on it as you like, and just basically dab off what you don't want. So basically I'm just going to do a little bit of a time lapse, show you how this process works, and then show you some of the end results, which look pretty cool. And this is a fairly cheap way of making these things look a million times better. I mean, already you've got this one, which is how it comes from the shop, which again is okay, but that looks even better already, and all that's had is the red. So comparison shots, which looks more realistic, or which looks more gruesome, should I say.
see from that video, it's very easy to corpse a skeleton. Like, there's so many different ways you can do it. Plastic is one. Obviously, you can do the latex and cotton way, but for me, that's a bit more effort. It's a bit more messy, and it's nowhere near as quick. You have to wait for drying times and things like that. So this is definitely the cheapest, easiest way of corpsing a skeleton. Everything used in this video will, of course, have Amazon affiliate links below. So if you do want to give this a go, or you want to buy any of the materials, please use them below. It's very much appreciated. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure to like and subscribe, because there's going to be plenty more of this sort of content coming. So thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one. See you later.